How to disable comments on Instagram. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and check if an update is available. If you see an update button, tap on it and wait for the latest version to install. This ensures that you have access to all the new features. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Tap the three-line menu at the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the section called How Others Can Interact with You. Tap on Comments. Here, you will see different options for managing comments. If you want to disable comments completely for all posts, you can turn off the Allow Comments option. If you want to limit comments to certain people, you can adjust the settings to allow comments only from your followers or specific accounts. If you want to disable comments on a specific post, go to that post and tap the three-dot menu at the top right. Select Turn Off Commenting. This will remove the comment section for that post. That's how to disable comments on Instagram.